Did life on Earth really begin on Earth? It sounds like a simple question. Yet despite centuries of scientific discovery, we still do not know exactly how life first appeared on our planet. Every living thing on Earth, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, shares a common origin. But where did that origin come from? What if the answer lies not on Earth, but somewhere deep in space? Imagine a microscopic organism drifting through the darkness of the cosmos. Protected inside a meteorite, it travels for millions of years across unimaginable distances. Eventually, it reaches a young planet called Earth. And there, life begins. This fascinating idea is known as panspermia. It is one of the most intriguing theories ever proposed about the origin of life. According to this theory, life may not have started on Earth at all. Instead, life, or the building blocks of life, may have arrived here from another world. To understand this idea, we need to travel back more than 4 billion years. At that time, Earth looked nothing like it does today. There were no forests, no oceans filled with fish, no animals, no humans. The young Earth was a violent and dangerous place. Volcanoes erupted constantly. Asteroids crashed into the surface. The sky was filled with toxic gases. Yet somehow life emerged. Scientists have spent decades trying to understand how this happened. One possibility is that life formed naturally on Earth through chemical reactions. Another possibility is far more mysterious. Perhaps the ingredients of life arrived from space. This may sound like science fiction, but scientists have discovered something remarkable. Meteorites that have landed on Earth contain organic molecules. These molecules are some of the basic ingredients needed for life. Amino acids, which help build proteins inside living organisms, have been found inside space rocks. This discovery raises an incredible possibility. If the ingredients for life exist throughout the universe, perhaps life itself could travel between worlds. Comets may have played an important role in this process. These icy objects contain water, organic compounds, and other materials essential for life. Billions of years ago, countless comets and asteroids bombarded the young Earth. Some scientists believe they delivered water to our planet. Others wonder if they may have delivered something even more important: the first seeds of life itself. But there is another version of the panspermia theory that is even more fascinating. What if life did not originate on comets or asteroids? What if it began on another planet entirely? One candidate often discussed by scientists is Mars. Today, Mars is a cold and barren desert. Its surface is dry, dusty, and exposed to intense radiation. Yet billions of years ago, Mars was very different. Evidence suggests that rivers once flowed across its surface. Lakes existed, and perhaps even oceans. In many ways, ancient Mars may have been more suitable for life than the young Earth. If microbial life appeared there, asteroid impacts could have blasted Martian rocks into space. Some of those rocks may have eventually reached Earth. In fact, scientists have discovered meteorites on Earth that originated from Mars. This means material can travel naturally between planets. Could microscopic life have made the journey as well? The answer remains unknown. But surprisingly, some microorganisms on Earth are far tougher than scientists once believed. Certain bacteria can survive extreme heat. Others can survive freezing temperatures. Some can even endure the vacuum of space for limited periods of time. Tiny organisms known as tardigrades have demonstrated incredible resistance to radiation and harsh environments. Life, it seems, is remarkably resilient. This has encouraged scientists to seriously consider possibilities that once sounded impossible. However, there is an important problem. Even if life arrived on Earth from somewhere else, where did it originally come from? Panspermia may explain how life spread, but it does not necessarily explain how life began. The mystery simply moves somewhere else in the universe. That is why many scientists view panspermia not as a complete answer, but as part of a much larger puzzle. Yet the theory remains important because it changes the way we think about life itself. Perhaps life is not rare. Perhaps it is everywhere. Perhaps the universe is filled with microscopic organisms traveling between worlds. If that is true, then life on Earth may be connected to a much larger cosmic story. A story that began long before our planet even existed. And perhaps that story is still unfolding today. Today, the search for answers continues. Scientists study meteorites, comets, Mars, and distant worlds in hopes of uncovering clues about the origin of life. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. Modern telescopes have discovered thousands of planets orbiting distant stars. Many of these worlds exist within the so-called habitable zone, where liquid water could potentially exist. Some may resemble the early Earth. Others may be completely different from anything we could ever imagine. If life can emerge wherever the conditions are right, then the universe may be filled with living worlds. But if the Panspermia theory is correct, the implications are even more extraordinary. Life throughout the galaxy may share a common origin. Perhaps the same microscopic organisms that started life on Earth also reach countless other planets. Perhaps life is not alone. Perhaps it is part of a vast cosmic network stretching across the stars. Imagine discovering life on another planet and finding that it shares similarities with life on Earth. Such a discovery would change everything we know about biology, evolution, and our place in the cosmos. For now, we simply do not know the answer. Did life begin on Earth? Did it come from Mars? Did it travel through space inside a comet? Or did it arrive from somewhere even more distant? The truth remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. But one thing is certain. The atoms in our bodies were forged inside ancient stars billions of years ago. The elements that make up life were created long before Earth even existed. In a very real sense, we are already deeply connected to the universe around us. Perhaps the real question is not whether we came from space. Perhaps the real question is how much of our story began among the stars. And until we find the answer, the mystery of life's origin will continue to inspire scientists, dreamers, and explorers for generations to come. Because somewhere out there, hidden among the countless worlds of the cosmos, the answer may still be waiting to be discovered.